Okay, I want to show here how to install the extension. Before you install it, it's best to have you logged in already to your RingCentral account in a browser tab that you want to use. Remember, the RingCentral login that you're using have to own the extension that you want to text from. If you're logged into your account but you want to use maybe the main number under a different user, it will not work. So you have to make sure you're logged in with the same user that owns the extension. When you get the Zoho extension sent to you from us, just make sure you're logged into Zoho already and click on the link. It's going to take you to a screen like so. You're going to agree to both those things. You could install it for all users or just the admins. So now it's installed. You need to authorize it. That's when it's going to ask you for the RingCentral login. It should look like this already if you're logged into RingCentral. And that's it.